Hello you guys, welcome. I'm Parshvik. On this channel we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. Now this is a Teepublic video because latestly Teepublic sent an email newsletter to all the designers or the people selling on the platform. I'm gonna talk about how to make more money this holiday with the Teepublic. If you have a Teepublic store, it will definitely gonna help you. And even if you don't have one, if you want to make a one, then this video is still gonna help you. Let's dive in. Hey guys, welcome. Let's dive in. Before that, give this video a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more such videos. We have a Teepublic course. If you're interested in starting with a Teepublic, I have my Teepublic short mini course. The link is in description. That actually helped me making hundreds and thousands of dollars on the Teepublic. I'm gonna talk about that more about the Teepublic, how to get started with that and make money. The links is in description about that mini course. You can very well check it out. And also we have the other products. The links are in description. If you're interested, you can check it out, related to different platforms. Anyways, let's talk about this thing about Teepublic. Yes, you got me. So recently Teepublic sent a 2 email newsletter. I'm going to talk about that. The first thing, they're talking about how to make more sales and how to bring in more money on this holiday. You need to go with the trends. If you're interested in trends, you can very well go with the trends. So I'm going to talk about some trending Teepublic topics. Now obviously these trending ideas could be applicable to Redbubble as well, Zazzle as well, and to Etsy and other platform as well. The first and foremost, the very popular trend right now is the election, because it's a time of the presidential election and it's very popular. The themes, the memes are very popular related to the election. That's the first idea or niche that you can go for. The second one is vintage. Now vintage, I feel it's like a more evergreen. It's trending right now, but it's kind of like a more evergreen niche. You can make more evergreen products related to the vintage, or you can combine the different vintage, like vintage with the holidays, vintage with the retro, vintage with the sports. Like you can mix the different things together, and vintage is really amazing and trending right now. The third one is the memes. You could have the funny memes, or you can have a sarcastic one related to the politics or related to something other thing. Like you can have a funny memes or sarcastic one. Now I never targeted the memes, so I am not sure how to do that, but I've seen other people targeting, and if you're interested, make sure you go with that. Especially it's for the text-based designs, if you're writing down the text in simple codes, and that's gonna help you. The third one is not the third one, the fourth one is actually the cats. Now this one is my favorite one. I do target the animal niche. Pet niche is all-time favorite and all-time popular niche for me. But it again depends. If you like the cat, if you have the cat, you can very well target the cat niche. And I feel like with the cat niche, the dog niche was also going to be popular, because the cats and dogs are two of the most very popular pets that people have in their home. Obviously they also have the different pets as well, but these are very popular and very amazing pets. I know all animals are amazing, but this is the another niche. Another niche we have is the hip-hop. Now hip-hop could be related to the music, could be related to the dance, could be related to the music. I've already covered the music. It could be related to the movies as well. So that's the hip-hop. I don't know much about it, so I'm not going to talk more about it. Another is about the sports. You could actually target the sports, what's trending right now in the sports. Now I'm not a sports person, so I'm not keeping track of the sports, but if you are a sports person, especially the guys out there, if you are a sports person, you like the sports, target this niche right now. It's trending. Another is the holiday. As usual, holiday niche is always very popular, especially at the time of the holidays. Holiday will be popular niche. Another niche is the politics. You can target the politics as well if you're interested. So these are the niches that are trending right now, that people are looking on Teepublic. And I think that people are looking not just on the Teepublic for these niches, they're also looking on the Etsy, Zazzle, Redbubble, or other platform as well. If you're interested, make sure you go check it out. Another tip the Teepublic is sharing to increase sales this time is to target and go with the new products that Teepublic launched. Teepublic recently launched 2 new products, that was the vintage tees and the hats. Now both these products are completely entirely new on the Teepublic, and you can upload your designs on the new products. And I know that I've covered this thing a lot many times in my previous videos, is that whenever you are targeting with the new niches or the new products doesn't have that much of the competition, because not all people are going with that. And if you're going with that, then it's gonna likely increase your chances to get more sales. This tip is also applicable on the Zazzle. Go with the new products. The Zazzle is actually it's actually announcing every single month. Go with the new products, and I actually make a video every single month as a monthly updates to mention you guys about the new products and new updates. So make sure you keep up with me and consider subscribing if you're interested, because I'm gonna make videos to help you know more about the new products so you can target. The another tip that they're talking about is customize your product for individual, customize your products or customize your designs for the products. I hope that is more right. Customize your designs for the products, especially the new products. Especially they're talking about the hats, because hats are new on their marketplace, and if you are going with that, make sure you customize your design for that. These are the tips. Now the another tip they have is a kind of like a challenge. They are having a $500 challenge right now. If you want to win $500, then this is exactly for you. You gotta promote your store on Instagram. There are some things that you have to do to get this $500, and there is a Google form. You need to fill in this form. I think that every people must have got this email newsletter from the Teepublic. If you're already selling on the Teepublic, you're gonna receive the link to the form. Click on the form and fill out the form, and if you win, you're gonna receive $500. So what you have to do, you have to share your profile on Instagram. What you have to do, if you don't have an Instagram profile, go out and make an Instagram profile. Share your link of your Teepublic store in the bio of your Instagram profile, and share your own Teepublic stores on your Instagram, and then fill out the form, the Google form they are which linking with this particular email post, and mention the details which they are mentioning, and that's going to help you enter this $500 prize pool, and you could be the winner. Who knows, anybody can be winner, and winner will be announced at I think by 6th December, because they have the Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So these are the two popular time of the year to make big sales. So at this time, if you are actually promoting your shop on the Instagram and you're doing everything that they're telling you to do and fill out their Google form, you can win, or you may be the winner of the prize of $500. That's the huge right now related to Teepublic. So these are some updates about the Teepublic and how to bring in more sales at this time of the holiday. Let me know, share your experience with the Teepublic. If you have any questions, also let me know. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you the next time. Bye guys.